Hello everybody, my name is Fahad and this video is about the aliases in MySQL. Okay, in the last video we have learned about how can we use the between operators, but in this video we're gonna learn about the aliases. Okay, so first of all let me just define you what is the aliases. Aliases are used to give a table or a column of a table a temporary name. So you can consider the aliases as a temporary name of a column or a table. So you just know that it only exists just for the duration of the query. Alright, so let me just show you how can we do that. Okay, select country. Now I just want to change the name of the column this into the country. Alright, so how can I do that? You have to select name. Now you have to write as, it is stand for the aliases. Now you have to write the name you want to give to that column. I want to give country. Let me just run the code here. Okay, now you can see here that I have just given a temporary name to the name column, okay, which is the country. So you can see the country column here. Alright, so you can also give a table a name as well, a different name as well, or a more readable name as well, because sometimes our column are not readable. So we use the aliases for making them more readable or easy to read words. For the table you have to do the same thing as, and you can just write the C, and this is how it works. But the table name which we have given are not usually used. It can be only useful when we are interacting with the different tables together. Okay, so when you want to work with multiple tables, then it can really help you to get the easier name or more readable. Alright, so this is how it works. But if you want to give more than one word to your column name, or you can also say that if your column name has a space, you have to wrap this thing into the double quotation. For example, I just want to write the name of the column as a country name. You will see here that it is giving you the error, okay, because when your column name has a space, you have to use the double quotation with it. Alright, so I just want to use the double quotation here. Now you can see here it is not giving me any kind of error here. So I just run this code, and now you will have the name as country name. So this is how the aliases work, and this is all for this video. If you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.